In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Microsoft OneDrive. To get started, look at the top area of your Chrome browser near the search bar. After you begin the download process, you should see a computer icon with a small arrow on it. That icon indicates that a file has been downloaded and is ready to open. Go ahead and click on that icon to access the installer. Once you click it, your computer will open the downloaded OneDrive setup file. At this point, the installation process should begin, and you may see a small window appear on your screen. This is completely normal. The installer is preparing everything needed to add Microsoft OneDrive to your computer. From here, the most important thing to do is carefully follow the on-screen prompts. These prompts will guide you through the setup process step by step. Depending on your device settings, you may be asked to confirm that you want to allow the installer to make changes to your computer. If that message appears, simply continue with the installation so the setup can move forward. As you go through the prompts, take a moment to read each screen before clicking ahead. This helps you understand what the installer is doing and makes it easier to choose the correct options if any settings appear. In many cases, the default options are suitable for most users, so the process is usually quick and straightforward. While the installation is running, give it a little time to complete. The speed can vary depending on your internet connection and computer performance. Try not to close the installer window or interrupt the process, because doing so could prevent OneDrive from installing properly. After you finish following the prompts, Microsoft OneDrive should be installed on your computer and ready to use. If the app launches automatically, that means the installation was successful. If it does not open right away, you can usually find it from your computer's applications or search feature. And that's it. By clicking the download icon near the Chrome search bar and following the on-screen instructions, you can install Microsoft OneDrive in just a few moments. Take your time, follow each prompt carefully, and you should be up and running without any issues.